The following is a popular exposé in modern dress and for the first time of the essentials of the Pythagorean secret doctrine. Pythagoras called the worldview hylozoics, or spiritual materialism. All matter has spirit, or consciousness. All worlds are spiritual worlds, lower and higher ones. The problems of reality affords only the most fundamental facts needed in order to understand the meaning and goal of life. Thousands of facts already published are necessarily set aside in order to not burden the presentation. A more detailed account is given in The Philosopher's Stone by Laurency. As regards the theory of knowledge, everything is above all what it appears to be, physical material reality, but beside that, always something totally different and immensely more. Existence is a trinity of three equivalent aspects: matter, motion, and consciousness. None of these three can exist without the other two. All matter is in motion and has consciousness. Matter is composed of primordial atoms, which Pythagoras called monads, the smallest possible parts of primordial matter, and the smallest firm points for individual consciousness. The original cause of motion is the dynamic energy of primordial matter. From the beginning, consciousness in the primordial atoms is potential, unconscious, is gradually awakened in the process of manifestation, becoming actualized passive consciousness, and subsequently becomes increasingly more active in the ever higher worlds of ever higher natural kingdoms. Pythagoras realized that the Greeks had the prerequisites for comprehending objective reality, for scientific method, and for systematic thinking. Cultivating the consciousness aspect, as the Orientals do, before the foundation for understanding material reality has been laid, results in subjectivism and in a life of unbridled imagination. It is to Pythagoras we owe most of our fundamental reality concepts, which today's conceptual analysts, being ignorant of reality, are so busy trying to discard, thereby making a comprehension of reality definitively impossible. Pythagoras, with his doctrine of monads, and Democritus, with his exoteric atomic theory, can be considered the first two scientists in the Western sense. They realized that the matter aspect is the necessary basis of a scientific approach. Without this basis, there will be no accuracy in exploring the nature of things and their relationships. There are no controllable limits to individual consciousness, but it has a tendency to drown in the ocean of consciousness. The following will outline further the three aspects of reality: the consciousness development in the different natural kingdoms, and the great law, the sum total of all the laws of nature and life. A knowledge of the three aspects of life is a necessary condition for understanding the evolution of the natural kingdoms.